Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we are here with another speaker review for you guys. We have the Partybox Stage 320 speaker. We're going to be unboxing it and checking it out. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see what we have inside of this nice box here. All right, so it's packaged pretty much like the 310 was packaged. Pretty much a similar thing. So these all go around it. So if you try to pull up on these, you're just going to break them. So we have to do the auto unboxing method, like I really like to do. Just basically take the box, flip it over like this. And here we go. Auto unboxing, guys, like magic. Nice, there we go. All right, so here we have the box with the plugs and stuff. Let's go ahead and check this out. What is inside of here? Well, it's inside a paper bag. The plug is inside of a paper bag, kind of interesting. So you have the plug, and what else we have in here? We have a little Partybox quick start guide, and then we have the actual speaker. Let's see which side is the top. Okay, so this is the top right here. You got to slide this ring off like this, and then here it is. Look at that. Very nice. I really like these knobs right here. Something I really liked off the 710, so that's kind of cool. Go ahead and pull it out of here and get this bag off of it. Pretty. There it is. Look at that. Well, that's a gigantic JBL emblem right there. Huge. My goodness, I wasn't expecting that. All right, so the speaker looks pretty cool. I really like the design of it. Look at that big logo on the front. Looks really nice. We have our dials on the top here. We have the play pause button. We have the light button, obviously. I think this is just lights and controlling the lights, and this is play pause and volume. Got your power button, your Bluetooth. I don't know what that is at all. Bass boost. And then I'm not sure what these are either. Maybe some type of sounds that you have. These are all your mic controls, your echo, treble, bass, volume. And you have your nifty little handle right here. One thing to be aware of with this handle right here is when you're putting it down, don't put it down from the front like I already did, because you will squash your finger in here just like that. You need to put it down from the back. So you have the handle up, press the button. You're going to put it down from the back like that, so you're not squashing your finger, because that doesn't feel too good. All right, let's go ahead and flip this thing around to the back. See what we have here. Have a nice bass port. We have the power plug right here, which is pretty nice. In the back, everything's covered up. And this is something that's really cool about this particular speaker. You have this little drawer right here, and the battery actually can be taken out and I guess swapped. So if you can get an extra battery and you have this with you with a charged battery, you can just swap it out if your battery dies and you're back running again. So that's pretty cool. And over here you have your little door. So we have inside of here. So back inside of here we got a microphone plug. We have a guitar / microphone plug. You have your little switch right here. You have a gain control. You have your volume. Another gain right here for your mic. We have your daisy chain ports right here, in and out. We have a 5-volt. This is 2.1 amp USB plug, so you can actually charge devices in there. And then you have an aux in if you're going to be doing like a 3.5 millimeter jack in. So there's all your plugs right there and everything. So you can use this again for electric guitar, like as a speaker for electric guitar. One other thing to note here about the JBL Stage 320 is when you open up the back panel, it actually has a light back here, which is something I didn't notice before. So everything we got in the box, we just basically have a safety instruction manual. We have your quick start guide, and then we have your power adapter. So we can go ahead and plug this power adapter in, charge this thing up. See how it looks when it charges. All right, so just like a normal, ordinary power adapter here. And this is just really easy to plug in right here. You just open up your little door, just like this. Plug your power adapter in just like that. Now, just be aware when your power adapter is plugged in, this thing is not going to be waterproof, obviously. And since this is leading to the left, it would be easier if you had a plug on the left-hand side for it. But all of that aside, let's go ahead and just plug it in. My plug is over here on the right-hand side. All right, there we go. It's plugged in. Let's see if it, here's an indicator right here that it's charging. You have your little charging level. So it's already almost came fully charged. Go ahead and power this thing on and see what it looks like. Oh, wow, that power's on right away. Not even a delay. It's really cool. What are these buttons here?
Let's party!
Okay. What is this thing? I don't know what that button is right there. That's something we're gonna have to find out. Let's see if it tells you in a quick start guide. Whoa, nice. Here we go. So what's in the box? You got the Bluetooth pairing. Press your Bluetooth to pair it. Play pause button. Got your light show button. Then you can get your app. Got your microphone ports, tells you everything about that. You can plug in your guitar. You got to switch the button on the back. Multi-speaker connection. Okay, so this is multi-speaker connection. So if you have more than one of these, and it looks like you can do more than two, which you couldn't do before. I'm not sure how many you could do. I will find out, and I will let you know though. So you press this button, you can actually connect more than one of these speakers together. And then you have your charging lights and splash proof IPX4. So this is splash proof. I guess you could get water on it, rain. You're not going to obviously throw it in your pool, and you have your handle. So that's kind of cool right there. So that's everything. So now we know what that button is for actually. And before we actually play anything for you, let's go ahead and go over the specs of it. So this is what the speaker looks like. You take a look at that while I read you some specs here. So this is the JBL Partybox Stage 320. It has two 6.5-inch woofers, two 1-inch tweeters, output power of 240 watts. It's a lithium-ion battery. It charges in 3 hours when off, whatever that means. Playtime is approximately 18 hours. 36 pounds is the weight. It has JBL app support, Partybox app as well. It has auxiliary, USB, Bluetooth, 2 mics, and 1 guitar jack. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and measure the speaker real quick. So across is approximately about 12 inches, 12.5 inches, something like that. 12.5 inches across, maybe even a little bit bigger. Up in the front here, it's almost 13 or right around 13. And then depth, we're talking about 14.5, say roughly about 15 inches deep. And if we're talking about height here, I guess you could say 27 inches tall, about 27 inches tall right here. Then we pull up the handle. The handle comes all the way up to about 41 inches is the handle. So there's all the specs for the speaker. Let's go ahead and check out the lights and see what these lights do. So this is light on and off. You push the button and then you just kind of dial between the different lighting modes. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to go ahead and play 5 songs for you just to see what this speaker sounds like. We're going to first get connected to Bluetooth. In order to get connected, we're going to go ahead and press the Bluetooth button up here at the top. Press Bluetooth. There we go. And now it's in pairing mode. It's ready to get paired. On your Bluetooth menu on your device, it's going to show up as the Stage 320. Go ahead and just pair it. And there we go. Now it is actually paired. Okay, so right now it's not showing up in the Partybox app, so it tells you to restart it. We're going to go ahead and power it off. Powers off almost immediately, and we're going to go ahead and power it back on. As you can see, it powers off and on like pretty much as soon as you press the button, which is really nice. Okay, so we got it connected to Bluetooth, and what we realized, in order to actually see it inside of the Partybox app, you do have to update your Partybox app. So if it isn't updated, the speaker is not going to show up. Once you update it, it will show up in the Partybox app. So we have it connected with Bluetooth. We have it connected into the Partybox app. And we're not going to show the app on screen here, but in the app, it does have some settings. You can kind of adjust these buttons a little bit, change the light shows, do some other effects, things of that nature, change your bass boost, stuff like that. You guys probably already know all about it. What we're going to do right now, we're going to go ahead and play 5 songs for you so you can get a feel for how the speaker sounds. So just go ahead and sit back and enjoy the music.
Good at it.
All right, guys, so that is about it for the test. Sounded pretty good overall. I mean, all the songs, they sounded really crisp and really clean. I really like the speaker. I like the lighting effects a lot. It definitely is an improvement, it seems like, from some of the previous versions. I like the buttons on the top, and just the overall build quality and feel of the speaker is really, really nice. So this is the JBL Partybox Stage 320 speaker. If you're interested in purchasing this speaker, I will leave a link in the description. And if you would like to support the channel, please be sure to use my links, as they do generate a small commission for the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.